Hello, it's Rachel and welcome to the first 6x6 challenge. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will put a link in the video description to the challenge group. The theme for this week is something that's nice and simple. The theme is flowers. I'm working on watercolour paper and I'm using distress inks on my craft sheet, which I've spritzed with some water and then picked up to form my background. The colours that I used were antique linen and black soot. The next thing I'm doing here is using the black soot ink again to stamp a brick texture onto my background. The stamp here is from a set by Creative Journey. Now I'm taking a pencil and I'm going to draw some stems for the flowers that I'm going to add, and once I've done this I'm taking a Wendy Vecchi stencil and using the flower from this with some light modelling paste by Liquitex. I'm applying this with a silicone brush by Prima. Once my texture paste has dried, I'm choosing to colour it using Lumiere paint. So I've selected several different paints here and I'm painting them onto the petals, blending them until I'm happy with all the colours. Once all the flowers have been painted, I also choose Lumiere paint to paint the stems. So I start off with citrine, which is a lime green colour, and then I also add some of the same blue colour that was used for the petals, and then I switch to a pencil to add even more detail. Here I am taking some of the blue pearlescent paint from Lumiere and I'm applying it to the edges of the page to frame the piece using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam. Once I've done this, I go back to some of the other colours of the paint and I water these down and add some splatters to the design in the background. That was the last step in today's project. I hope you enjoyed watching and my interpretation of this week's challenge theme. As I said at the beginning of the video, if you would like some details on the challenge group, which is over on Facebook, then please see the video description. I hope you all have fun with this and I can't wait to see what everyone comes up with.